morning and welcome back to my channel Vecta Circuit Bias. Today's video is on a seminar topic on 5Gs. Okay, in that one of the key technology is Li-Fi. Okay, that is light fidelity. What is that? We will see in a brief. Okay, these are the basic contents. So we'll see just what is introduction, then its working, different companies which are developing Li-Fi products, advantages, limitations, comparison with Wi-Fi. Okay. Mm, so a Li-Fi means light fidelity. Okay, light fidelity. So this was first coined by Professor Harald Hans from University of Edinburgh during a TED Global Talk in 2011. Okay, so this is like extension of this visible light VLC communications. Okay, so Li-Fi uses visible spectrum of light for transmitting data. By this we can achieve more higher data rates and higher bandwidths and more secure. Okay, so this is the general spectrum of um, wireless visible light. So this is the spectrum. Okay, ranges from 400 to 800 nanometers. Okay, in this spectrum we can use. So if you want to go for red, because we know that visible light has some rainbow colors, which are this. And red, if you are using, it is under 65 nanometer. If you go for short wavelength, it is under 300 to 400 nanometers. So we are using this spectrum for transmission of data. Okay. Um, so general, what are the components that will be there in Li-Fi means one LED. Okay. So LED will be used for transmitting the data. Okay. Light source. Then we require other side this photo detector. So LED will be transmitting the data. So that will be received by the photo detector within some distance range. Okay. So this is a basic architecture. So we know that these are the data input. So that input is given to this LED through the driver. So this data will be modulated in the light modulation and given to the LED. LED will radiate and that will be received one more photo detector. And that will be detected and it will be processed and given to the system. So this is how Li-Fi works. Earlier we were using same IR transmitter receiver, same liners. This is also examples on the VLC, light transmission. Okay, so this is a just infrastructure. We do know that in the infrastructure we have transmitter, detector, and other modules. Okay, so this is also one module about Li-Fi. So here see LED. Here also receiving one more photo LED. Okay, so which may transmit any signal R, red, yellow, green, blue, or violet lights. Okay, and these are some of the modulations that are used in the Li-Fi. On-off key, variable pulse position modulation, color shift key, or OFDM, orthogonal frequency division multiplexing. So this is one example under color shift key. Okay, we'll see that afterwards. Next, these are the companies which are manufacturing the Li-Fi products. This is Pure Li-Fi, which is from the University of Edinburgh, who invented this Li-Fi. And these are the basic companies who are manufacturing these light devices. They are this. So Panasonic, Wipro, Lightbeat, GE, OLED Com, Signify. These are the leading companies who manufacture light products. So these are some of the Li-Fi Max is for providing internet. Okay. So where we use Li-Fi means applications were used for security purpose.